today. So I'm so excited. I got today's recipe idea from one of my favourite stories. It's this one, Whatever Next. In the story, there's a mummy bear, a baby bear, and a friend, the owl. And baby bear and the owl fly to the moon and they have a picnic. They're eating biscuits and honey. So we're going to make some honey biscuits. Let's see what we need to do. First of all, you're going to need some sugar, some butter, some flour, some sweet smelling cinnamon, an egg and some honey. Hope you've got them all ready. Let's see, what actions will we need? We'll need to do some beating. Oh, really hard. That's mixing, but really strong muscles. You're going to need to mix, just gently, when we mix the flour. If you mix it too hard, you'll get a big dust of flour. Then you're going to need to do some rolling into a ball. Get your tray ready. You'll need a spoon and a big bowl. Now you can pause the video for each part of the recipe so that you can have a go at doing this all by yourself with just an adult to help when you need it. Remember that cooking is really fun and it gives us a really good feel-good feeling because you get to achieve something really wonderful. You can send me some pictures of your lovely biscuits. I know they're going to be tasting so good. Let's get cracking. Okay, number one, first you're going to need to beat the sugar and the butter really hard. Get beating. Then, number two, you're going to need to beat in the egg yolk and the honey. Beat it in really strong. Use those muscles. Then, number three, mix in the flour and the cinnamon. But do this gently. Mix it slowly. Number four. Then you'll need to get a big ball of dough. Scrape it around the outsides. You might use your spoon, but even better, get your hands. Make it into a big round dough shape. And take off a little bit. Put it in your hand and roll some balls and put them on the tray. Very gently, give them a little squash so they look like biscuits. Number five, last of all, put them in the oven and bake them for 10 minutes. You should smell them smelling wonderful and cooking. And they'll be golden and crunchy. I hope you enjoy them. Send me some pictures.